We all want radiant, youthful-looking skin, but many of us struggle with dullness, dryness, or breakouts that seem to pop up no matter what products we use. You might think that glowing skin comes from expensive skincare routines or complex beauty treatments. But here's the secret. It starts with what you're drinking daily. That's right. A single, powerful drink made from everyday ingredients could be the game changer in your skincare journey. The problem, the struggle for radiant skin. The struggle for glowing, blemish-free skin is real. Environmental stress, dehydration, lack of nutrients, and toxins all contribute to skin issues that can leave us feeling less than confident. While skincare products can help, they often treat only the surface, without nourishing the skin from the inside. Many people end up stuck in a cycle of temporary fixes, constantly battling new breakouts, dryness, or uneven texture. If you've tried countless creams, serums, and masks, but still feel like something's missing, the answer might be much simpler and tastier than you think. The solution: a skin glowing drink for radiant results. What if we told you that a daily drink could be the key to solving these skin issues? Packed with powerful antioxidants, vitamins, and hydration, this drink combines easily accessible ingredients that work wonders for your skin. By nourishing your body from within, you'll naturally improve your skin's appearance, making it smoother, more hydrated, and glowing. Here's the recipe for your new favorite beauty drink. The ultimate skin glowing drink recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of green tea. Known for its antioxidants, green tea fights free radicals and reduces inflammation, which can help with breakouts and redness. 1/2 cup of cucumber slices. Cucumber is ultra-hydrating and rich in silica, a compound that strengthens the skin's elasticity. 1 TBSP aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is deeply hydrating and contains vitamins C and E, which are known to rejuvenate the skin. 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps with exfoliation, giving you a brighter complexion. 1 TBSP honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps your skin retain moisture, and it's full of skin-friendly antioxidants. Juice of 1/2 lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production and helps with skin brightness.